Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make the plurals in Turkish language. Okay, I can tell you that it's pretty simple. There is a rule, and if we follow the rule, we will know how to make the plural. First of all, we know that the Turkish alphabet consists of 29 letters. 8 of them are vowels and the rest of them are consonants. Okay? The vowels in the Turkish language are A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. Okay? One more time. A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. Okay? And now, what we are going to do today is that we are going to separate them into different groups. Okay? First group is this group. So basically what we have here in this group is that we have the vowel A with the other vowels that don't have any dots. Okay? So we have A, I, O, U. This is the first group, and I call this group A group. Then we can go on with the rest of the vowels, right? The second group is E, I, Ö, Ü, right? E, I, Ö, Ü. So we have E and the vowels that have dots. You see? E, I, Ö, Ü. So this is very simple to remember, to memorize. So we have E, I, Ö, Ü. Okay? And I call this group A group. So now we have two groups, A group and A group. Okay? I don't say A group or E group because I want to pronounce them in Turkish. Okay? So this is A group and this is A group. Okay? And now, why did I do this? Because if we want to make the plural in Turkish, we need to know this rule. We need to know these groups. We need to know why they are different groups. Okay? So this is the A group and this is the A group. Right? Very simple. We learned that, right? So for making plural, we only have to add one of these two. Which goes with which? What do you think? It's pretty simple, right? So here we have lar and it has A in the middle. So lar goes with the group A, right? So if the last vowel in the word that we are using is a vowel from the group A, one of these, then we need to add these. Okay? And this is how we make the plural in Turkish. Good? So we can say that group A goes with lar. Okay? Example. Araba. Araba. Araba means car. If we want to say cars, we have to say arabalar. Right? Arabalar. Good. Then, for example, we have şarkı. Şarkı. So the ending of the word is with the letter I. I belongs to the group A. Okay, it's without dot. It doesn't have a dot, so that means that it's from the group A. So it goes with lar. Şarkılar. Şarkı means a song So if we want to say songs, we have to say şarkılar. Okay? Next, let's say kitap. Kitap means book, a book. So we focus on the last vowel in the word. Okay? Kitap. The last vowel here is a. Okay? That means that this word goes with lar. So if we want to say books, we have to say kitaplar. 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 Okay? Good. Then we have telefon. Telefon. Okay? Telefon, the last vowel is o, which means that belongs to the group A. So we have to say telefonlar. If we want to say phones, telephones, we have to say telefonlar. I think that this rule is very simple to remember, to memorize, and to learn. You just need to exercise a little bit, okay? The second ending is ler, okay? So what changes is the vowel in the middle, you see? So from lar, it becomes ler. This is very easy to remember because we have two groups, A group, A group. We have two endings, lar, ler, okay? A, E. So basically, the ler ending will go with these vowels, right? After E, I, Ö, Ü. We add ler, okay? So after the group E, we put ler in the end. Now, examples. Defter. Defter means notebook. Defter. So the last vowel is E. That means that we have to add ler. It will be defterler. Okay? Defterler. Nice. Then, for example, let's say bebek. Bebek means baby. So if we want to say babies, we have to put ler. Bebekler. Bebekler. Okay? Bebekler. Then we have gün. Gün. Gün means a day. If we want to say days, we have to add ler. Günler. Günler. Okay? Days. Günler. For example, öğretmen means a teacher. If we want to say teachers, we will say öğretmenler. Okay? Öğretmenler. Ülke. Ülke means a country. So if we want to say countries, we need to say ülkeler. Ülkeler. Okay? Göz. Göz. Eye. An eye. Eyes would be gözler. Gözler. So guys, this is it. This is the rule for making the plural in Turkish. It's very simple as I told you, but still you need to practice it a lot maybe. Because you need to get used to the vowels, to pronunciation of the Turkish letters, right? So that's why I think that everyone should do some practice for this. And I'm going to leave you a list of words so you can make them in plural. And then you can write down in the comments and I can check them out, okay? One more thing that I wanted to say to you is that, for example, in English, when we make a sentence with a number in front of the noun, for example, 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, we have to make the noun in plural, right? We have to change the shape of the noun. But that's not the same for Turkish. In Turkish, when we use a number in front of the noun remains in its normal original shape. So it will stay in the singular shape, okay? So it doesn't matter if it's 1 or 3 books, it will be 1 book, 2 book, 3 books. So we don't use plural there. But if you want to make a sentence like, for example, the books are on the table, or maybe, let's say, the shoes are red, or the students are in the garden or whatever, then you have to use the plural. But when we have a number, so they don't have like a numeric plural, okay, with the nouns. That was a tip that I wanted to tell you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you understood everything. Thank you for your watching and hope to see you in my next video. Have a good day. Ciao.